Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are back to makeup, no cosplay video this time. We continue with the series and this week's gonna be Aquarius. And for this we have a very nice kind of smoky eye, but like with a cut crease, a gradient, a blue lipstick which it's gonna look horrible, but yeah, I just have a blue lip liner, but at least I have it. And I'm actually not gonna change it even if it's gonna look ridiculous, because I wanted to represent Aquarius, because like blue, it's like water sign, and yeah, it should be blue. As for the hair, I already did it. I pinned it in place in the back. I'm gonna show you at the end, but it's just, I curled it and pinned it at the back. It's cute. My hair is already growing out and it's not looking very nice, but that's what we have, so yeah. And the outfit was supposed to be like a beige sweater, but I don't have beige, I don't like that color and I don't wear it, so we're wearing a gray sweater instead. And let me tell you, I'm dying in it, dying. It's super hot. I mean super hot, it's like 24-25 degrees, and yeah, it's not a good time, but I'm gonna have to just live through it. And I'm gonna stop talking now and get started. I already started with the skincare. If you want to know what that is, I made a video on it so that we don't waste much time in this video explaining what and how. And yeah, we're gonna start with the foundation. We're skipping the primer. I should have done this video actually like to film it tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm actually going out somewhere with some friends, but well, we're doing it today, so no primer again. And we're gonna use L'Oreal Perfect Match 2N and 3N combination of these two. Can I talk for a moment about how bad my hair looks right now? I literally just dyed it 2 weeks ago. And it's already grown out, and the gray that I put in, this ash, is gone. What kind of products they're using and making lately, I don't know, but it's not good. Concealer 2N from Perfect Match again. And then I'm setting it with powder, loose mineral powder from my Perfect Color. And I'm trying a new technique actually for this powder, and I'm gonna apply it with the sponge because I hate when it flies away everywhere. Yeah, that is definitely much better with a sponge, so I'm gonna apply it with that from now on. And we're gonna move on to eyelids and eyeshadow. It's gonna be a brown, probably from this palette. We're gonna use this for the crease and this to darken it at the corners. And for the inside we need like a cream beige white thing, like even gold, like the transition is a little bit with gold, so I'm gonna try from this palette the gold. It's a bit softer than the other one. That will be this, and I'm gonna go for these creams right here, and at the end finish with white in the inner corner. At least that's the plan. Let's do concealer and see how that's gonna work. Yes, as for the eyebrows, they are already on. They actually came out better than I expected this week, but yeah, they're on, just so you know. We're starting with this actually on the outer side, now that I just looked at the picture, and it's supposed to be a little less red. I'm gonna blend it with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go for a darker brown, this one right here, and maybe this one, and at the end maybe for the really dark one, but I'm not sure, and not just yet. I'm gonna add just a little bit of concealer on the inside, and I added some gold, but just very little. I'm gonna add some more in a minute. I just need to clear that part up a bit more. So I went ahead with this cream over here, and then I'm gonna go with the lighter one and with the silver, these four over here, because I want to make a nice transition. And now just a little bit more gold in the middle. This should be a bit more matte, but it's alright. I have the feeling that the brown should be even darker in the inner corner over here, but I actually don't dislike the way this turned out, so I'm just gonna let it before I ruin it and something will not look good anymore. And for the inner corner, like really on the inside, I'm gonna go ahead with again with the eyeshadow, no, not eyeshadow, with a contouring palette and the white. And I think this is the eyeshadow. It's actually gone better than I expected it to. The colors are a little bit different, like as in the tone of brown. Mine is a little warmer, maybe it was supposed to be colder, but either way I like it, and I'm keeping it. Eyeliner, she has a really pretty one, and I'm gonna do it with the new one that I got from Essence, I think it was. Yeah, super fine. I liked it. It was nice last time I used it, so I hope it's still good. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's see if I can manage the other eye as well, and yeah. And of course I went way beyond I was supposed to with the liner, like I made it really long because I like it, but that's okay. I'm just gonna do the super lash sensational from Maybelline, and then we're doing lashes and contouring. Like, I need to find somewhere some lashes that you can actually wear with glasses. So if you know anybody that sells these, like any company, website, store, whatever, please let me know down below so that I can look it up and find myself some lashes that won't stay down when I blink with my glasses on. Thank you. Contouring. Bronzer. Maxi Matte bronzing powder from Manhattan. And now we're doing lashes. Let's hope I don't ruin this eyeliner because I actually got it kind of right for once. These ones over here from the top, the same ones as I used last time. Or was it? Hold on, because one of them broke. Yeah, no, not the top ones. Those are not usable anymore. Technically, I just have these left to use that are not broken or completely destroyed. I need to acquire a skill in eyelashes trimming because I don't know, something's not right. And the inner corner never stays. I don't know why. I fixed it last time and now again. Let's do some highlighter. We're doing the liquid one from Bipa from Glow. And the lipstick, and that's yeah, that's gonna be tough. This is the only blue that I have. It's a lip liner slash eyeliner, so it's I made a video with this. This is from Wish. I have a whole set of them, all kinds of colors and stuff: green, blue, yellow, gold, brown, black, red, everything you can think of. And we're gonna see how this works. Probably gonna look awful, like awful, but gotta try. Okay, yes, I was right. This is god-awful, this blue, but it's kind of similar to what's in the picture, so I just wanted to do that. And yeah, this is the makeup, and this is the hair. It's simply pinned in the back, nothing too complicated. Although I really don't like it like this. So for the outro, I'm just gonna take these pins off and let it free because it just feels better free. But anyways, yeah, this would be the completed look for Aquarius. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun. Let me know if you're gonna try this look. It actually was a little bit easier than I thought it would be. Or maybe I just got a little more practice, I don't know, but I'm actually liking this makeup. I might wear it actually out and stuff like that, like every day. I really like it. Minus the lipstick. This is a god-awful no. It ruins the whole thing, so just like I can go out like this. But yeah, let me know what you think. Leave a like if you haven't already, and please subscribe for more. I'm posting every Saturday between 5 and 8, no, 6 and 8 p.m. Central European time, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!